god. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's up? It's Lyss. I've had 4 coffees today. I'm a little... Also, I'm wearing a shirt that's backwards. I'm a little insecure about the fact that it's backwards, but the back is cuter than the front. There's nothing... You guys, I haven't sat down and done like a multiple hairstyle video in... I can't even remember the last one I did, so who cares, but I'm doing it now. I did a poll on one of my community posts, so make sure that you guys are subscribed so you can see stuff like that, so you can vote on videos and things. It's super fun. And you guys wanted some easy fall hairstyles, so I'm doing it. And if any of these are repeats from years ago, sorry. I mean, I know you're not going back watching those videos anyway, so it's kind of like they're new. We're starting off. Number one. Should I do a mix of scrunchies? I'm gonna do a first scrunchie look. I've even seen a lot of like blogger girls do this look. I do my hair the same way every day, so I really had to like go through and scrounge around and see like what's there. I took these 2 scrunchies. I'm using 2 because they're thin, and I want it to look a little thicker. Oh my gosh, how cute is this? Like what? I need little glasses. This feels so sassy. Would I wear it? No. But should you? Yeah. This hair looks like, you know those Instagram girls that pose with like a sucker and they're like, that's what this looks like. 1, done. I feel like I have mom hair these days, you guys. I'm not even kidding. Look at it. 1, 2. Oh, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna take my fingers and I'm gonna gently pull them through the top, like the layer here. Shake out the rest of the hair and kind of just pull it around to the back like this. So you just kind of have like this thinner layer. And I'm gonna use this scrunchie and I'm gonna make a little freaking whoop-de-woo and I'm gonna pull it down on the sides here. So just have like this low little, you can pull out any pieces that don't really fit the back anymore. Now you have this cute little messy, like what? I didn't do my hair, I'm a Viesio girl. This is literally my 4th cold brew of the day. There's dog hair all over it. We're gonna use 2 shades of blue. I'm gonna split my hair down the middle like this. I'm gonna kind of, just like, see, look at, kind of just messy. I'm gonna take this hair, let it be messy, and I'm just gonna do a little freaking okay. I am beautiful. You are beautiful and confident and important and creative and successful and great. You are amazing. You should say those things to yourself every day. I like feel so like right now, you know. Okay, onto the other side. I'm just kind of taking my hand behind my head and going whoop. So just ready, whoop, whoop. And I'm just gonna kind of, yeah, go with whatever falls in the front. I'm just freaking leaving because it's fall. You know, it might rain, might have a thunderstorm, might get a pumpkin thrown at me, so I'm just going to just let my hair be a mess. Shut the hell up. I'm literally so cute. Oh my gosh, move over, kindergarteners. Look at me. This is so fun. I mean, I would probably fix it and like pull some of these back, but am I going to? No, I'm about that sideburn life. Like, let me live. Me and my sideburns are out here. This is so fun. I miss filming these actually. Let's see if I can do it at the same time. Don't do this at home. Or do, you know, whatever. Live your life. Ow, 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 ow. Gotta get my hair back. Easy. You know, and you're just like this beautiful. It's just easy. Let's do... I've seen people use so many barrettes and clips and stuff. Guess what? I don't own barrettes because I'm not gonna say it, but the trend is not for me. I said it. But we can fake it. So everyone's doing little barrettes like this. These are my duckbill clips. It's like this, right? Oh, no ear out. That was silly looking. Ready? Look, duckbill. Oh my gosh, am I so on trend yet? Am I cool? I like the ones that you see on Instagram a lot, where the ones that say like feelings, and they say other things, but I just see a lot of people wearing the feelings because people have a lot of feelings, I guess. Low key, I had fun with these barrette little duckbill clip thing. So if you want me to actually get some barrettes or just use these and show you cute other ways to do barrette styles, let me know. But until then, we're doing a few right now. Wow. This is one that I did in 3rd grade. I'm not even kidding. This is how I grew out my bang. Ready? You just go, whoop. You can style your hair any way you want it. I'm not even kidding. My 3rd grade picture, I'm wearing a blue striped t-shirt and fuzzy blue cheetah print or leopard print barrettes, and I was like this. I didn't pose like that, but this is my exact look. I look the same. Oh, you know what else is gonna be a cool one? We're gonna like this. We're gonna do this again. But wait, watch this. You're gonna take this hair, you're gonna kind of twist it, and you're gonna go Chris, and then you're gonna go cross. Girl, what are you playing? Oh my god. Stop it. You want me to do your hair? Because I can. These are actually so much fun to like play with. What if I did, hold on. This is called, oh, you know what this just made me think of? Wait, no, this is like when I used to do my little twisties back. If this becomes a style, I swear on my life. Y'all better call this the Lyss did it. No, don't even call it the Lyss. I want the name to be Lyss did it. Unless everyone hates it, then I don't know what you're talking about. I used to wear my hair like this in high school. I look like a 14-year-old. I'm gonna call this one 14. Oh my god, yeah, I feel like I need to get some barrettes. So if you want to see a barrette video, let me know because I want to do more, but I want that to be its own. Also, are people calling them barrettes or are they calling them clips? Because they're called barrettes. That's how I called them. There you go. There are some easy fall looks, you guys. I'm gonna call these looks heatless because you can wear them on your natural hair or if it's curled. My hair is just waved, but my hair always looks like this, and I didn't do this today, so it's heatless, baby. Woo! If you guys would like to see other hair videos like this, let me know. If you want to see the barrette video, let me know. If you want to see anything from me, do you want anything? Tell me. I'll do it. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I can't believe, as a person that's always like, I'm no longer doing hair videos. No, I'm doing one. You want to know what it is? You know how the law of attraction says what you focus on is like what comes to you, whether it's good or bad. I keep focusing on how I don't want to do it, and so now I'm doing it. Yeah. Okay, I love you guys so much. I am being weird, so I need to like get out of here, edit this video so you can see it. Anyway, I love you. Mwah. You're my babies, you're my friends, you're my family, and I love you so much. Please just look at our noodle head. Bye, guys. Look at her. Oh my god, show the camera. Show them. Oh, I love you. I love you.